Yes, sir.
And I am again making you host. You can continue
Yes,
your class, please.
Yes. Okay, students, first of all, let me see how many students are present today. Okay, only 35, 32 are not connected with audio. Okay, write down some words where B is silent. Okay, turn on your back cameras first of all. Now, CRUMBS, Akshit Katoj. Sorry, Akshit. Blue shirt. Akshit, now tell me how we will read this. Unmute your microphone, Akshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshit. CRUMBS. Now read out. How we will read it? Today we are doing some words where B is silent. Okay, Akshit will tell.
Ma'am, repeat the word.
CRUMBS. Akshit. Hint I have given to you. Akshit.
Crumbs.
Crumbs. Obviously, it is crumbs because B is silent. I told you this thing that today we are doing some words where B is silent. So it is very easy. It is CRUMS, crumbs. Okay. Crumbs mean roti ke छोटे छोटे टुकड़े. Okay. तुम खाना बोल सकते रोटी के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े. That is called crumbs. Now the second word. Do fast. Second word. Second word. Let me ask from Harsh Kondal. Harsh Kondal will tell. Second word.
Yes, ma'am.
SU, write down. SUCCUMB.
Repeat the.
Okay, I'm repeating.
Repeat the word.
Don't create it in the class. I will read it 3 times. Okay. SUCCUMB. Okay. SUCCUMB. Do fast because we have to do observations book also. Okay, very good, Aditya. Your answer is correct. Harsh Kondal will read out. Harsh Kondal.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me how we will read it.
Sex.
मैम आपने लास्ट क्लास में क्या करवाया था मैम पिछली क्लास में
Shaksam.
Wait a minute, beta. First of all,
Shaksam.
okay. No. Try करो फिर से. It is succumb. Scum, okay?
Succumb.
Okay, scum means
Succumb.
हाँ, succumb means मर जाना. He succumbed to death. ठीक है? ऐसा बोलते हैं हार जाना मर जाना succumb. Now Madhav 1172. Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down बेटा जल्दी करो. Madhav INDEB. Write down the word INDEBTED.
Ma'am, network problem. Ma'am, फिर से repeat करना.
You will see something.
जी
Ma'am, IN. EE.
Wait a minute.
IN.
Wait a minute. First, turn on your videos and
Ma'am, on.
turn on your videos.
repeat the word मैम सॉरी
Sorry. INDEBTED. INDEBTED.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Madhav. Now tell beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down its meaning in Hindi also, beta. Hindi में लिख लिया करो आगे. INDEBTED. INDEBTED. Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me how we will read this word.
मैम indebted.
Indebted बेटा, indebted means ऋणी. Okay, indebted.
Yes ma'am.
I am in DEBT लिखा होगा ना, but suppose it is written DEBT, you will not say I am in debt. I am in debt. Okay, I am in debt
Yes, sir.
means D is silent. Now the last word is PLUMBER. Deepika Chaudhary. PLUMBER. Deepika Chaudhary. Deepika.
Ma'am,
Very
sorry.
good, Yamini. Very good, Yamini. Yamini copy is clearly visible to me. Very good. Okay. Deepika Chaudhary, do fast. Do fast. Parth, Shashwat, Akshit. Both Akshit, you are not visible to me. Samar.
Ma'am, what is God?
Whose audio is on? किसका audio on है? Okay. Last word which I told you was supposed to be told by Shreya. श्रेया, आप कैमरा बंद करके बैठे रहो, ठीक है? अभिमन्यु 1749 क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अंशुल, खारव, अक्षित, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा? Why your cameras off? Okay, don't waste the time. It is PLUMBER, बहुत easy word है बेटा. Yamini.
Sorry, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am,
Yamini.
plumber. Ma'am,
Okay,
sorry.
plumber.
I'm sorry.
PLUMBER.
Plumber.
Plumber. Okay, a plumber me बोलो. Because B is silent in it. Okay. How you will read? It is plumber. B is silent. Okay. Now 4 words we have done. Now come to your observations book. Observation book में आओ, page number 26. Observations book, page number 26. Page number 26. Come to observations book, page number 26.
मैम आपने कल क्या करवाया था?
बेटा I have sent its PPT. मैंने कल PPT send कर दिया आपको, जो मैंने काम कराया था. I have sent. Okay. Now, Riya Mehta, what is today's date? Riya Mehta.
2000. मैम
Write down the date.
22 पेज नंबर खोल ले.
Take out your page number 26 of observations book. Write down the date 18/5/21 and then classwork. Write down today's date and then write down today's date and then classwork. Okay. Now Riya Mehta will read out this question. What is written? Riya Mehta, read out question number 16.
Do you know of any self-made man? Conduct a search about one such man and write the story of his journey.
Okay. Okay. Now Riya, what we have to do in this question? क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में रिया?
मैम इसमें हमसे पूछा गया कि आप किसी सेल्फ मेड मैन को जानते हो और उसके बारे में कोई रिसर्च कंडक्ट करो कि उसकी जर्नी कैसी स्टार्ट हुई थी.
Okay, from the days of his struggle. Okay, from his initial days, where the place he has now achieved. Okay, from the beginning. Okay, from 0 to highest. Okay, तो तुम्हें उसकी जर्नी लिखनी है. Do you know any self-made man? Okay, कोई self-made man जिसे तुम जानते हो, then you have to write down its journey. कैसे, his initial days of struggle, उसने कैसे struggle किया, and how he reached to that position, उस position में वो कैसे पहुंचा. So अब research उसके बारे में करनी है. But do you know Riya any self-made man? Riya Mehta, कोई ऐसा आदमी according to you who is self-made man? Self-made man means one who achieves the ladder of success without anyone's push. Okay, without किसी help से जो successful होता है, that is called self-made man. तो बेटा आप जानते हो किसी से, do you know any self-made man? कोई, anyone from the class?
May I?
Kanishk. Okay,
Ma'am,
beta.
our Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Okay, you can
Ma'am,
write
in
down.
his struggle,
Okay, wait a minute. Beta, wait a minute. I will give you 3 minutes to write. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes to write. Okay, Narendra Modi, Yamini has said, according to Kanishk. Kanishk, आप बताओ बेटा. You can write the story of Dhiru Bhai Ambani. Okay, self-made man or some
Ma'am,
other
may I?
from. Yes.
मैम डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर.
Okay, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, now write down the story. I'm giving you 4 minutes. Okay, write down the story according to you, who is self-made man. Okay, from his days of struggle to his destination. 4 minutes are yours. Write down. Turn on your back cameras. Back camera on karo. Turn on your back cameras if you are comfortable with that, and now start writing. And please, I'm sending PPTs for 7th class. I will send to your class also.
Good morning.
Okay, then please note down that.
PPTs नहीं आई है मैम, कब आएंगी?
बेटा, yesterday I have sent. कल भेजी है मैंने. B.R. Ambedkar. So, right. Yes, beta. Yes.
सभी ज्वाइन हुई है तो मेरे को पता नहीं है क्या करते हैं।
Beta, we are doing question number 16. We are doing question number 16. Your page number 26. Okay. Anuja, whose story you are going to write, beta? Anuja? आप किसके बारे में लिखोगे? अनुजा. 3253 and Anuja.
नहीं आ रही.
Okay.
My voice is not coming. Do question number 16 right now. Question number 16 right now. Abhinav Chaudhary. Write down. खुद लिखो आप. Ananya, write down. Don't send any personal message in this app, beta. Don't send any personal message. Sachin Kumar, what messages you are sending, beta? In this chat box, you can send messages related with your studies. Don't send any sort of different sort of messages. You can use your personal WhatsApp number, okay? Send it from that. यहाँ पर मत भेजोगे कोई ऐसे message. Okay, जल्दी करो जरा. Do fast. According to you, okay, according to you, who is the self-made man? Write down his